You can use all kind of templates. For example, when making a website, you can choose from all kind of themes, depending on the website, and it doesn't have any content, right? It's just like examples. You can do the same thing in programming. So you can define a certain template, a certain class which doesn't have an implementation. For example, we can have a class MakeFood, which consists of several steps. So for example, prepare, collect ingredients, and perhaps a step cook. And because it's a template, it doesn't have any code. So every method we actually put pass in there. There's no implementation. This is just a template. And now based on this template, we can make other classes. So we can have a class MakePizza based on that template. And then we can implement those classes. And then you can write here whatever implementation you want. And so on. And you can implement each of those methods. So actually in this case it should be about baking. And you can use this template for any class. So for example, you can have a class make spaghetti, and that class will use the same methods and implement those methods defined here. Okay, so make sure your indentation is correct. So now we can just create new objects. And call the methods. So you can call the methods. And you'll see it uses the class here, as you might expect. If we change the advantage with the template is that the methods are always the same. So no matter which class we inherit from the template, it always uses the same methods. So it's very easy to change the meal like this. So for example, to change it to MakePizza. You'll see it uses the same methods, but the behavior is completely different. So a template method is just, or a template pattern is just a class which defines certain methods, and those methods are used by one or more classes. So you'll see this class inherits from the MakeFood class and uses the same methods, and this class also uses the same methods from the MakeFood class. So regardless of which class, and you can, or any other programmer can easily add their own classes based on this template. So they just have to implement those methods and the program is extended. So it makes it very extensible to use the template pattern. But basically it's just a class with one or more methods that subclasses then use. And that makes it very easy to create new objects that behave exactly the same, using the same methods as defined in the template superclass.